5G. Unlocking the power of 5G. Welcome to the future of connectivity. The world is evolving and so is our need for faster, more reliable and efficient data connectivity. 5G and how it's revolutionizing the world around us. 5G is the fifth generation wireless technology. It's designed to be faster, more efficient, and more scalable than previous generations. With 5G, we can achieve data up to 100 times faster than 4G with ultra low latency, which means data is transmitted almost instantly. This opens up a whole new world of possibilities for communication, entertainment, healthcare, and more. Imagine you are in a crowded area and everyone is using their phone at the same time. But when we talk about 4G, in 4G you might experience buffering, dropped call, and slow download speeds. So sad. But with 5G, you'll have a seamless experience with no lags and no buffering. You can stream 4K videos, download large files, and play games with zero interruption. 5G also has the potential to revolutionize the healthcare. With its low latency, doctors can perform remote surgeries, patients can receive real-time medical attention from anywhere in the world. It's not just about speed, it's about creating new possibilities and opportunities. 5G is also essential for autonomous vehicles. With its high speed, low latency connectivity, self-driving cars can communicate with each other. 5G is also opening up a new possibilities for entertainment. With its low latency and high speed connectivity, we can create immersive virtual reality experiences that feels like a real life. We can stream live events in 360-degree and create a new forms of interactive entertainment. 5G is not just a faster way to connect, it's a game changer that will transform the way we live, work, play. Its power to connect us like never before. If you are new on my channel, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest update. Thanks for watching.